Warm good morning to all. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village named as Wonderland. It was famous as a tourist place all over the world. And there was a 14 years girl, Alex, used to live there with her family. There were 5 members in her family: younger brother Jim, elder brother, and parents. Alex was so intelligent, so clever, and so hardworking. But they were poor by financially, and because of that, Alex used to work in one clothes shop where client used to come from different countries. So one day, Mr. Joy visited that shop, and Alex attended them. Alex communicated with him in such an effective manner. So Mr. Joy was get so impressed with her communication skill, intelligence, and the confidence. She sold many pairs of clothes to Joy, and uh, because of that, Joy wished to communicate more with Alex. He asked her so many questions about her life and everything, and came to know that Alex is financially not stable and she is poor. But instead of that, as a 14-year girl, she is earning by by using her skills. She can communicate in more than 4 to 5 languages. She is so confident as compared to other child in 14-15 years. So when Mr. Joy communicated with Alex, he came to know that Alex has a dream. She also want to go to school like others. She was so confident and clever. She used to communicate, but she couldn't able to read and write. So she wanted to have that skill in her. If that skill uh, could be added in her, so she can earn more, she can be more confident as she used to thought that. So Joy decided, whenever Joy used to see her, he found himself in her. So Joy decided to help her, and Joy helped her financially and told her, like, use this money for your education, and whenever I'll come back, I want you to read and write after having good practice of 1 year. And Alex promised him that she will go to school and she will learn how to read and write. Mr. Joy returned to his country, and there was no connection. There was no communication in that 1 year. And Mr. Joy missed Alex, and he decided to come to visit the Wonderland where Alex used to stay. Mr. Joy came in her shop, and Alex was busy to attend her clients. And Mr. Joy was watching her. She was attending them as always, with so much confident, intelligence, and well mannered. As soon as Alex seen Joy, She couldn't control her emotion. He just hugged him. There was so many questions in Joy's mind, which Joy wanted to ask to Alex. Means, how was last 1 year? Did she started learning reading and writing? Did she started moving towards her dreams and all? Without asking anything, Alex told to Mr. Joy that she didn't use those money for her schooling, for her education. He used that those money for some of household work. Mm, Mr. Joy was little disappointed, but uh, he understood. It's okay. He again tried to convinced Alex to work towards her goal, work towards her dream, because she, she she was confident, she was clever, and she was good in communication. But there was only one skill, which means only two skill, which was not there, and because of that she was not earning good, which she was deserving. He Mr. Joy explained her, and again Mr. Joy helped her financially and told her to use this money this time for your schooling, for your education. And alex promised Alex promised Joy to this time she will use this money for her education, and she will work, she will move towards her dreams. Again Mr. Joy went to his country, and day passed. After 2 years, again Mr. Joy missed Alex so much. He was so curious to know about Alex. He wanted he was damn sure this time Alex might have started studying, might have started working on reading and writing. So with that excitement and joy, Mr. Joy started journey towards Wonderland where Alex used to stay. And with with that excitement, Mr. Joy visited the shop where Alex used to work. But when he entered in that shop, Alex was not there. For a moment, Mr. Joy got shocked, but uh, he calmed down and he went to the owner of the shop, and he came to know the address of Alex where she used to stay. Without wasting time, Mr. Joy went to her house, but no one was there. There was a lock, and by watching that locked door of her home, Mr. Joy was so scared. He had the feeling that he lost Alex. There no, I might not meet. I know I might not communicate with Alex again in my life. And he said there only, and he tried to recall the communication which had in between them. So he recalled that there was one place named he took in their communication, which was native place of Alex. And he just thought like she might be there, and he started his journey towards her native place. After one day, he reached to that place, and he he was he couldn't control his emotion. He was so happy to watch Alex there. Alex was Alex started one small shop in that village, a little shop of household products. And now Alex, after 2 years, Joy and Alex are meeting to each other. This time, Alex was looking so beautiful, so adorable. And again, same questions in mind of Joy. How was your 2 years? Did you started your studying and all? So this time, Alex cried. Alex cried in front of Joy that Joy, I couldn't use your money for my study and for my education. Baba got paralysis attack and our house got collapsed where we used to stay. So in this bad situation, I I have it was forced me to come in my native place and survive here. I couldn't able to start my education. She cried a lot. Joy was so disappointed, but Joy was able to understand her situations. He again explained Alex that how intelligent, how clever you are. You are gifted with so many good things. You have created you have created your life. You have created your life in good way, means you are you have gained so much confidence in you. You are good communicator. You have good skills of soft skills, attending people and everything. You have good business skills. Why not reading and writing? Why don't you gain these skills so you could not be in this bad situation, Alex? Alex was understanding everything and she was shame. She felt so bad. Uh, Joy told her, even in these bad conditions also you could able to go to school. You could able to, you know, by working also you can work on those skills as well. So why you cry, I mean, why you don't balance your work as well as education? And Alex was really felt bad. She didn't know what Joy used to see in her, means she was not confident from inside, like she can work as well and she can gain the skill, she can educate herself as well. This time Alex promised Joy that she will go to school, she will learn how to read and write. And Joy told her, this time I'll not at all help her. You are the one who will help her yourself. I'm not going to help you about anything. And Alex just smiled, and Joy given that confidence to Alex that you can do and you can achieve anything if you really want to do that. And again Joy went to his country, and now after 2 years Alex written a letter to Joy that, Joy, I'm so thankful to you. I cannot I cannot tell you how happy I am. From last 2 years continuously I am working as well as I am going to school and gaining skill of reading and writing. After watching that letter, Joy was so happy, so much happy. Joy cried, and he he only didn't know what he achieved in his life by helping Alex. So here I wanted to tell that you are the one who can work on your dreams. Sometime you only don't know what qualities, what skills you have, but the other person who has gone from the journey which you have suffered, he knows, he can able to see those skill in you, and he or she has more confident on you than yourself. So if someone is helping you and someone is believing you, do not let him or her fall down. Just work towards your dreams and let them feel proud. Thank you so much for listening me. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.